Alright guys, so let's see what's in this cool case here. We'll open it up like this, 1 and 2. Now I've been following along a lot of awesome RC review channels and so on and so forth, but I've been really wanting to get my hand on my first FPV kit, and I've watched so many YouTube videos on all this stuff, and so I wanted to see what you could get. And that's decent. Let's see what's in here. I don't want to get into too many things all at once. So we got a bunch of props here. Oh, they're so small. Look at that. Super small compared to my thumbs. Little wrench. There's a thing, I guess, for binding in here. Screwdriver, a bunch of screws. Okay, cool. Alright, so this still has all its original parts. We got antennas. I don't know what this is for, but I'm guessing it's probably going to be connected to the helmet part. And then we got instructions. More instructions and more instructions. We got 2 batteries here. Ooh. These look like they've been used and beaten up a little bit. Okay. I hope they still run. This one's a bit bent, as you can see there. But in some cases, when you buy these things used, at least they've been tuned. And so hopefully they'll fly better than if you just got them brand new. This is the charger right here. There's some kind of strap here. Not sure what that's for. But this here is the good old transmitter, and I've heard a lot of good things about this. And I also heard that you should be able to bind this or use a cable to connect it up to your computer. And as you can see here, it runs 4 AA batteries. Let's see what else we got in here. This is pretty small looking, but I guess this is the monitor for the FPV, and I'll put the antennas on there, I guess. Very, very light, so that's cool, because I've done a lot of reviews on VR headsets, and this feels really light. Let's see the actual quad. Boy, is this light. This is super, super light. The camera looks a little bit dirty. I hope it still works great and it's not scratched or anything. But it looks nice, so I don't know if you guys can see. Hope you guys can. And it looks okay. Has these teeny tiny, hopefully brushless motors. There's something dirty in there. Maybe it's just foam. I hope it's just foam and it'll come out. I'll clean it with something. So you can attach 2 batteries simultaneously on this. So I guess you can run on what they say or what they call 1S or 2S. And if you run it with 1, I think you need to use that little pin thing that we saw earlier and just stick it into one of those. I don't know how that works exactly, but we'll have to figure it out. So it looks promising. I hope this is just dirty in there. And yeah, we'll go test fly it and see if it's any good. I hope it is, because I heard a lot of good things about this thing. And if it is, you can expect a positive review from me. If not, I will be shipping it back. Because, you know, I need something that works. And this is kind of thin, which is nice. It feels good in the hand. All right. So those are my first thoughts here on this thing. And I'm pretty excited to find out how it will do. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And see you in the next one.